Hi, I'm Mayanna with Heartwood Art, and today I'll show you how to measure and mark objects in SketchUp using the Tape Measure tool. So let's dive in. Here I have a 4x4 with half-lap joints for my 2x4s. The top one requires no measurement, but I needed to make another half-lap joint that was 4 inches from the end of the 4x4. Here's how to use the Tape Measure tool to mark that spot. So let's move over to a clean 4x4 that I have here. To bring up the Tape Measure tool, you can either click it in the left toolbar or hit T on your keyboard, and you may need to move your mouse to see it. Now, if you just want to know the length of something, hover the tape measure over an endpoint, click there, and then just move the tape measure across the edge. Now, if you stop for a moment, you'll see the length in the tool tip pop up. You can also see the length in the field in the bottom right corner. Now, if you want to measure and mark a spot, like we need to do for placing this half-lap joint, then bring up your tape measure and click on the endpoint where you want to start, and then move across that edge. Now, if you get to the length that you want, then you can just click there, but you can also type it in. So I want it to be 4 inches, and hit enter. And as you can see, it marks a spot. And let's see how that works. We're going to bring up the line tool by hitting L. And I'm going to hover over it. And it says guide point now. So if you want to use that for something, you can click on it and draw out a line. Now, later, if you want to erase that mark, then go to the selection tool and click once on it. The entire dotted line will be highlighted. And then just hit delete on your keyboard. Okay, that's it. Now you know how to measure and mark objects in your model. Be sure to see more SketchUp tips and tutorials on this channel to make modeling fun.